Hi everyone, welcome to the channel where learning English is easy and fun. Let's learn today's vocabulary. Let's begin.
Chair, table, sofa, bed, pillow, blanket, mattress, wardrobe, cupboard, shelf, mirror, lamp, fan, clock, television, remote control, carpet, curtains, door, window, bucket, mug, glass, plate, bowl, spoon, fork, knife, pan, pot, kettle, bottle, basket, broom, mop, dustbin, dustpan, iron, ironing board, hanger, washing machine, refrigerator, microwave, oven, toaster, mixer, grinder, vacuum cleaner, air conditioner, heater.